Hi, Sipede. You're on.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, thank you. Sorry. Hi, everyone. Good afternoon. Hope you're all doing great and having a good day. Thank you for being here this week, and thank you for being here every week and making the time out to be here. And your presence here is what gives us motivation to continue with our training. And today is the last session of June, so we are going to um, finish up on stage 6 of Moracle Accountancy Formula, which is filing with authorities. And as you all know, we have a 10-minute question and answer at the end of the session. So if you have any questions about any of these 6 stages, since this is our last session for this month, you can go ahead and ask your questions during that time. But just before we start, I wanted to give you an update about our collaboration with ACCA on ACC Advantage program. We are going to have an event on 3rd of July next week, and Mola is going to be there representing us, representing Moracle Foundation and our training program. Which you all know, our training program is a combination of accounting training, mindset, and AI. And we're going to present that to university students. So it's a really exciting time for us in Moracle Foundation, and we're going to connect with more universities, more students, and hopefully we can help and support them during about what they want to pursue about their career. So we are going to share more details on that event on 3rd of July. So stay tuned on our social medias, our LinkedIn, our Instagram, and you can read more information there. And again, I just want to remind you that you can turn on your cameras so we can have a more engaging session. And remember that these trainings are being recorded and they are going to be uploaded on our social media, on our YouTube channel. So just be aware of that. And yeah, and stay tuned for our great news on Moracle Foundation. We are having a busy and exciting time in Moracle Foundation. Different partnerships we are going to have moving forward, and these events in collaboration with ACCA, which we are going to be inclusively working on ACC Advantage and with ACC Advantage students. And if you needed any more details, especially those who are not registered with ACC and want to start, you can let me know. We can help you, support you to start, and especially start with ACC Advantage to go through this process with ACC Advantage. And just let me know if you are new to this, new to ACCA, and you want to register. And yeah, that's our big news that I wanted to share. And stay tuned for our news, for the content are going to be on our social media. And yeah, thank you once again for being here. And over to you, Molly.
Thank you very much, Sepede. Thank you. Thanks to the team, you and the team at Moracle Foundation for all the work that you guys are doing to organize this event, but also for other activities that are taking place. The partnerships that we are forming, engaging with, it's really a lot of work that we are putting behind the scenes. So I'm happy and grateful for that. But yes, just to give a little bit more perspective to this this work that we've done with the ACCA. Yes, this has been, well, for me, it's been a lifelong project. Yeah, and it's going to continue to be. Yes, because we believe that, things need to change. Yes, and we're going to feed, to that change. Yes. And the way we do this is, for example, what we're doing here at Moracle. Yes, where we are training young people, yes, not only in accounting, but the mindset, yeah, but also, artificial intelligence. Yes, that is the future, of this profession that we are part of. Yeah, the mindset that we need to have, yeah, to bring to bear at all times. Yes, when we're actually serving. Yes, it's got to be one that is, you're going to work on it, every day, every week, every month, because it's got so much to do with not only your work, but also your personal life. Yes. Okay. So we need to bring that, to the forefront. And this is where Moracle, yes, is going to make a lot of noise. Yeah. So Thursday, the 3rd of July, yes, I'll be representing Moracle Foundation, going to the Adelphi. So Adelphi, for you guys who don't know Adelphi is the headquarters of the ACCA in the UK. Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to be going there representing Moracle Foundation. Yes, and talking to, the participants. And among the participants, you got 19 universities that are going to be there. Yes. And we're going to be talking to them about what we do at the Moracle Foundation. Yes. This Moracle Accountancy Formula. Yes. The accounting, the mindset, and artificial intelligence, and how we're going to help, young people, trained up and ready for work. Yeah. Okay. So watch that space. And I think there should be some social media out there at the moment. ACCA are doing their marketing, this particular project. You understand, the ACC Advantage program. So watch out for that. And my appeal, to each and every one of you here who are listening to me now, guys, please go out there, make some noise. Yes, we're appealing to you guys. Yes, it's not enough to just go there and see. It's not enough to just go there, you see, and then you like. It's not enough. You got to make some noise. You're going to make some statement. There is so much that you guys have got to contribute to this. Yes, we're not doing this just because of us. We're doing it because we want to leave a legacy here, all of us. And we're doing this together. So go out there, just don't take, not only taking or liking, make a comment. Yes, all of you here have been hearing me talking about the Moracle Accountancy Formula. Yes, you guys, from what you're doing in the work, you are applying this. So let's go and talk about it. Yes, so that's my appeal. And I'm sure Sepede and the team have been appealing to you guys. Yes, please, please, please go and then make some noise on the social media about, your experience with Moracle Foundation and also the Moracle Accountancy Formula. Yeah, so that's great news, exciting news. I am super excited, really, in a big, big way. Yes, so after that event, I'll come back, and tell you guys, what the next steps are. But the next steps are basically, enroll in this program in a big way. Yeah. So like Sepede said just now, if you are here, registered or planning to register with the ACCA to do the ACCA program, wherever you are, please speak to Sepede. Yeah, because you need to be registered, with the ACCA through the ACC Advantage program. Because the ACC Advantage program is got, as it says, advantage. Yes, it's got lots of sweeteners in there. You need to register through the ACC Advantage. Don't go and register just like the ordinary. Yes, go and register as an ACC Advantage student. Yeah, You got a lot of good stuff in there. Yeah. I was involved in organizing and planning that, so I know what it entails. Yeah. So go out there and do it. If you've got any challenges, come and speak to Sepede. They'll be able to guide you through. Yeah. So it's all good news. Yes. And I am super excited, like always, when you're talking about accounting. Yes. And how we use accounting, because it's a blessing. Yes. It's a blessing God has given us. How do we use that? Yes. So that's what we're going to be talking about here. Yes. Good to see your faces. Yeah. As you can see, and a lot of people not turning your camera. Please do turn your camera on if you can. I know some of you guys might be at work, wherever you are. But if you can turn your camera on, please do, because it'd be nice to see faces. Yes, it's nice to see people. Yes, all the time. Yes, and this is the world that we live now. Yes, okay. This morning, my team were talking about this. How do we adapt? Yes. Now we've got people all over the world, wherever they are, from home, yes, working, dealing with international clients, yes, and from where? Yes, from home. Yes, think about it. Yeah, okay. Well, finance is one of these things that is like a sacred, kind of data or information. Yeah, how many of you, I ask this question all the time, how many of you here really, yes, share the bank statement, yes, with the, let's say, people who are close to them? How many? Yes. In fact, I would like to, to see, let's do a quick poll, show of hands, or whatever it is. If you're here listening to me, yes, and you show your bank statements, to your close people, either your wife, your husband, your family, your children, or whatever it is. How many of you do that? How many of you? Just show your hand. Yeah. Okay. So we'll take it, we've got 99.99, percent don't do it. Yeah. But that's the truth though, yes. But think about it. This is what really the environment that we face, where our clients, our clients that we're serving, one of the key things that we ask them for is that we ask them to give us their bank statement. We want to see their bank statement. We want to see what has gone in, what has gone out of the bank statement. Yet still, you, me, yes, our bank statements, yes, we hold them so sacred, so close to our chest. Okay. This is the kind of scenario, that we, play out, day in, day out. The conflict, yes, where, we want other people, to be open to us, but we ourselves are not. Yeah. And I'm telling you, that's why we're talking about this mindset. Yes, because this is how we are trained. Yes. We are trained, to be like I say, like we are God, so we are accountants. They give us the power, to go out there and ask for this information that we're not comfortable ourselves, to give out to other people. Yes. Okay. We get this information. Yes. And then what do we do with it? This is what we're going to talk about. Yes. That's what the Moracle Accountancy Formula is. Yes. We get this information. How do we now, organize that information, yes, and then direct it, to a particular purpose, to achieve an outcome. This is what we're talking about here. Yeah. Okay. But we first of all need to have the right mindset. We need to be one, and say we are individuals, we are people, and we deal with people. Yes. So you hear me talking about, what the profession preaches. Yeah, professional skepticism. Without. Yes. Even when we get the evidence in front of us, we're still doubting. Yeah. Okay. Now, it's not only about that, professional skepticism, you now need to consider the emotional intelligence. Okay, so professional skepticism is there. You're going to apply that all the time. Yeah, somebody gives you something, you ask for more. Yeah, you doubt it, until you do some work to it for you to now satisfy yourself that, you got enough evidence, to say, yes, this is what it is. Yeah, okay. And now you got to also add emotional intelligence. Yeah, you got to understand your own emotions. Yeah, but also understand the emotions of other people. It's not an easy thing, I'm telling you. Yes, okay. It's not easy. Yes, as human beings, but that's what we are supposed to do. And particularly you young people coming to the profession now, I want to appeal to you guys. Yeah, because this is what we were talking about this morning, adaptability. Yes, and I love that word, I'll tell you, adapt, adapt. Oh my goodness. One of my colleagues, tried to explain it this morning. He says, my mentor, yes, with the way he explains that, I never forget that. It says, and other, creatures, of the world, yes, they adapt, to their environment, yes. But us, human beings, yes, we don't. Yeah, why? Because we have this, what you call the higher faculties. Yes, yes, the imagination, the creativity, the perception. Yes, all of these things, the will to do things, you understand? So we don't naturally adapt. Yes. So we say, well, now hold on, if I try to adapt here, sorry, yes, I'm going to do my own thing. And that is the creativity in us. So we always want to hold that, that adaptability. You understand? It's a massive, stuff that we need to consider. And that's what brings and drives success and growth. Yeah, just to be able to adapt. And adaptability means that, you're considering so many different things. Yes. But those creatures, you throw them, into their environment, they just naturally blend. But us, oh my goodness. Yes. Today I wake up in the morning, I look outside, even though it's the sunshine is there, I'm still complaining. Oh, it's too hot. It's too cold. It's this, that. Yes. But really, we got to adapt, and also here, accountants, we got to adapt. Yeah, there are a lot of things changing, guys. Yeah, as we speak. Yeah, artificial intelligence, big one. Yeah, there's nothing around us now that you cannot apply artificial intelligence. Yeah. Okay. So thank you again, for being here. Like Sepide says, thank you very much, for participating. Thank you also, for putting into practice, what you guys have been taught here. Yes. And questions. If you have some questions, if you're able to ask them here, send them to Sepede. Sepede will send them over to me and the team, and then we'll be able to come back to you and then talk about it. Yes. And but one thing that I'm really excited about is is the program. The numbers are increasing. Yeah, people, really, are benefiting from this. What I mean by they come through the program, they get the training, and then, seeking employment. Yes. We got employers, or clients of ours who are really supporting us. So I want to shout out to them, who really supporting us, to support, people like yourselves who are coming through, getting the training for work. Yes, because there's no need, to just do this, study or practice when the work is not there. Yeah, and we believe there's plenty of work out there. Yeah, I totally believe that. You can say, well, hold on, Mola, you're too positive, but the truth is, yes, accountancy profession, think about it. Every country needs an accountant. Yes, every country needs an accountant. Yeah, every business out there in every country needs an accountant. Yes, individuals, particularly those guys who are rich, yes, they need accountants. So the need for what we do exists. Are you with me? The need for what we do exists. You don't need to worry about that. Yeah. What you need to focus on is how do you now differentiate yourself, the ability, yeah, to make you be that person, the go-to person, for you to be able to touch the lives of other people, for you to be able to leave them with the impression of increase, with this blessing that God has given to you, this accounting knowledge. Yes, your attitude, your mindset that you bring to bear. These are the things that we're talking about here every day. Yes. And also, as I'm saying to you guys, we are accountants. So you will expect that you want to talk account, you want to post figures, you want to do numbers, you want to, yes, you will hear me telling you, no, sorry, hold on. You will get to do that later on. You got to have the right mindset. Yes. So I am standing here and appealing to you guys. That mindset, is got to really, shift that, for it to be, right at the front. Yes. Get your mindset right. Yeah. And the numbers, the accounts, yes, the bread and butter stuff, will flow. Yeah. I'm telling you, I've experienced it myself. Yeah. To learn the account, to do whatever it is. I work so hard. I love accounting, but I'm telling you, my mindset was not okay. Yeah. But once I discovered mindset, adding to this smaller, I'm telling you, I work so hard, love doing accounting. I can begin to see, how when it blends, things that begin to unfold, things are now coming into place. It looks so easy. Yeah. Okay. So I want to appeal to you guys. The mindset training, don't underestimate it. The power of that. Yeah. Okay. Moracle Accountancy Formula, as you can see on the screen. Yes. This is how we serve our clients. So every client that comes through to Moracle, yes, they have to go through this formula. And this formula has got 6 stages. Yeah. Stage 1, management information systems. Stage 2, management accounts and value added. Stage number 3, statutory accounts and scheduling. Stage number 4, taxation. Stage number 5, reporting. Stage number 6, filing with the authorities. So for the month of June, yes, stage number 6 is what we've been focusing on. Yeah. And like Sepeda said, this is the last week in the month of June. So next month, we're going to start again and start with stage number 1. Yeah. So every month, we focus on one particular stage. Yeah. Okay. So the first thing that I always say to you guys, yes, is to paint a picture. Because we as human beings, we think in pictures. Yes. So right now, if I say to you, what is the color, of your front door? Yes. Okay. You will say maybe it's black or blue or whatever it is. You know what you've just done? Yes, wherever you are right now, yes, you've taken yourself and go all the way, to your front door, and you can see your front door so clear. Yes, and that's why you can say, oh, my front door is blue or is green or whatever the color is. If I says, what is the color of your fridge? Yes, you take yourself, all the way into your kitchen or where the fridge is, and then you can see the fridge, appearing in front of you. So we're thinking pictures. So I'm saying here, it's the same. I'm asking you guys, when you talk about the Moracle Accountancy Formula, you want to paint this picture. It's got 6 stages. Yes. Stage 1, management information system. What do you do there? You capture the data, you record that data, you analyze that data, you reconcile that data. Yes. That stage is so, so important. It's the first stage. Yes. You got to have systems, coming together. That's why it's called management information system. So all the different systems are coming together. yeah, to be able to do what? To capture that data, record that data, analyze that data, and reconcile that data. Yeah, okay. So each and every, aspect of that, what I've just described here, to capture data, yeah, you got to follow certain, process. To record that data, it's a process. Yeah, to analyze data, also a process. Reconciling, it's a process. So each and every section there, you want to understand what the process is. Yeah. To capture data, yeah, like now, it's so easy. Yes, before, in our days when we were training, everything was manual. Yes. Just imagine to capture data when it is all manual. My goodness, papers, and information, documentation is coming from, all over the place. Now, yes, digital world is so much easier. Yes, information technology, artificial intelligence in action, whereby a sales invoice or purchase invoice, yes, coming from wherever it is, could now be just sent, through, an email, and that information is captured within the accounting system. Yes, and the data is there waiting for you to review it. Yes, that document itself attaches itself. A copy of that document is already there. Just think about it. Yes, this is what we got right now. So I'm saying to you, if you are anywhere in the finance function and that is not happening, well, that is not adaptability. That is not making use of technology. That's not making use of artificial intelligence. That's not making use of your blessing. Are you with me as an accountant? Yes? Okay. How do you capture data? Yes? Whatever it is, wherever you are, yeah, go and review that. How do you capture data? Are you doing it manually? Yes? Have you got a file or whatever it is? So check that out. You want to be able to make sure that data capture process is in place and it is effortless. Yeah. If it's not, yeah, then you need to take action, is what I'm advising you guys to do. Yeah. To record that data, the same. Artificial intelligence will allow you, the computer intelligence, you post a transaction once. The second time, it begins to suggest to you, oh, I saw you posted it the last time this way. Should I post it this way this time around? If you say yes to it, the third time, it's going to say to you, oh, okay, you've posted it 2 times to this particular code. Yes, it's already suggesting for you. Yes. If you actually even go in there and then set it up and say, every time you see this transaction, I want you to post it to this code, it will post it that way. Well, that is artificial intelligence in place. So you will now be asleep, transaction is now being posted for you. Okay, that's beautiful, isn't it? That's the world that we live in. So if you are not doing that, wherever you are, guys, I'm saying to you, think about it. Yes, think about it. If you are not doing that, where you are allowing, the systems, to post transactions for you, because you have told the system what it should do, then you are not actually using your blessings. Yes, this knowledge that you have given to you. Yeah, you have it in your hands. Yes, and you're not using it wisely. Yeah, so stop. Go back again to basics. Yeah, okay. Management information system means that different systems are coming to, to play here. Yeah, the integration aspect, when systems are connected, together, for the purpose of capturing data, recording, analyzing, reconciling, you got to make sure that is happening all the time. Yes, sales ledger, purchase order. Yes, you got the bank and cash, you got the payroll system. You got your VAT system. Yes, you got your gifted, if it's a charity. All of these systems are all there. Yes, you got clients now for their own businesses. They have, their CRM systems. Well, you want to understand what kind of CRM system exists that the client is capturing information to serve their own customers. So you need to understand the CRM system that exists. And now that CRM system needs to be connected to the accounting system. Yeah, so there's no duplication. Okay. If that is not happening, where you are at the moment, I'm saying to you, your blessing that you say you have given to you, you are not using that wisely. It might mean that we need to learn a little bit about the CRM system that the client is using or your organization is using. Yes, but remember, you are not an IT expert. All you're trying to do is to make sure that CRM system is connected to the accounting system. Yes, that CRM system integrates. And this day and age, if there's any CRM system that is out there that does not integrate with an accounting system, you know what's going to happen? Yes, they're going to die a slow death. Nobody wants to use it. Are you with me? Yeah, and you are the expert now. Yeah, making sure this is happening. Integration of systems. And that's why we call this stage management information systems. Paint that picture. I'm saying, paint that picture. Let it be so clear. Yeah. When you talk about management information systems, yes, you are bringing all of the systems together. Yeah, to help the organization capture data, record that data, analyze that data, and reconcile that data. Okay. Fundamental things need to be understood, though. Like, for example, you cannot try to reconcile data when you have first not recorded it. Yes, you must record data first before you reconcile it. Yes, okay. You cannot reconcile if the data is not there. Yeah, okay. I hear that a lot of people telling me I'm reconciling when you have not, first of all, posted. You need to post. Yes, transactions first. You need to post before you reconcile. So there are basic fundamental things that we need to understand once you are actually dealing with stage number one. Yeah. When you finish stage number one, yes, you move on to stage number two, management, account, and value added. Yes. There is the system where we say at the end of every month, every business out there, yes, they deserve this. This is not whether, we're not too sure, ifs and buts. No, sorry. Every system, every account, every organization out there deserve, to have management accounts at the end of every month. Why? Because you need profit and loss account analysis. You need balance sheet analysis. You need cash flow analysis. You need KPI. Yes, key performance indicators. Yes, Google Analytics. Everything now is Google, Google, Google. So you need to do some analytics. What is happening down there? Accounting is not only, or business not only about accounting, non-accounting analysis, non-accounting information, or non-accounting reporting needs to be taken into consideration. This is what stage number two deals with. Management accounts, yes, that adds value, not just figures, not just numbers. You need to look at non-financial information. Yes, okay. So stage one and stage number two, those two stages, so important for every business that if that is done, I'm saying here, yes, businesses, I'm telling you, are going to weather every storm that they face or they are going through. Yeah? Number one, you got management information systems in place, whereby all the different systems are all integrated, they're working. Yes, you produce your numbers every day, every week, every month. And stage number two, management accounts that adds value. You're producing management accounts, the numbers, and then the non-financial information every month. Yeah, think about it. Yes, you're doing this month in, month out. You're reporting what's happened against what was budgeted, and then you do some forecasting, and you're producing financial and non-financial information, and you're giving this information to the people who are charged with strategic governance, running the business from the top. They've got the strategic vision of the organization. Every month, I'm telling you, that business is bound, to be growth. It's going to move, to a direction that I'm telling you, you're going to be the envy of so many businesses out there. You study those successful businesses. Number one and number two, they are on top of it. Why? Because number one happens every day, every week, every month. Every business out there on a daily basis, transactions are happening, financial and non-financial. If that data is recaptured, that data is recorded, that data is analyzed, that data is reconciled, and then at the end of the month, business, is going to weather every storm, that is going through or passes by. Yes. So we focus on one and number two. Yes. So our guys now, for Moracle, yes, well, we got a good team now. Yeah, it's the best team in the house, I'm telling you. Yes. Okay. Now I hear all sorts of different names now. Stage 1 pioneers, stage 2 pioneers, so all these fanciful names. Well, really, we're focusing on that. All our clients, we want to make sure stage 1 and stage 2, we're on top of it. Yes. Once you've done stage 1 and stage number 2, then guess what happened? Yes. All the other stages now, they fall in place. Yes. I know we're talking about stage number 6 up there, all the way down there, filing with authorities. Yes. But to get stage number 6, to get to file accounts on time, to get to file accounts that, is, approved or accepted by the authorities. Yeah, Companies House, Charity Commission, HMRC. Yes, guess what? Surprise, surprise. Yeah, it starts with number 1 and number 2 be in place. Data is captured, is recorded, is analyzed, is reconciled every day, every week, every month. And stage number 2, management account is prepared, yes, based on the information that's come from stage number 1. Yes, and then you're looking outside of the organization and then bringing information that is relevant into the organization, and then give that information to strategic decision makers, and then they are now using their expertise, their special knowledge, to be able to come up with some kind of advice or action. Yes, every day, every week, every month, this is happening. Stage number 6. Yes, when we get to stage number 6, it makes stage number 6 so simple. Yes, okay. So to get stage number 6, yes, you're going to make sure stage 1 and stage 2, yes, we're on top of it. Yeah. Stage number 6, it says filing with the authorities. Companies House, you're going to file accounts, and you're going to file what you call confirmation statements. We used to call it annual return in those days. File accounts. Those accounts that you're talking about filing, yes, those accounts, where they're coming from? They're coming from stage number 3. Yes, so stage number 3 say accounts preparation. But the numbers, the figures, the information, the data, where is that data coming from? It's coming from stage number 1 and stage number 2. Yes, okay. For you to prepare statutory accounts, yes, you first of all have to capture that data, record that data, analyze that data, and reconcile that data in stage number 1. And you do that every day, every week, every month. To prepare account, or for you to be able to prepare account, you got to make sure, yes, this information is captured in a way that, all the systems are connecting, they're talking to each other. Yeah. Management accounts are produced every month. Yeah. Variance analysis. Yeah. And now pull out, and the reason why those variances are occurring, and strategic decisions are taken or action, yes, to be able, to now address, the variances, good, bad, or indifferent. So when you get to stage number 3, those numbers are something like, well, are perfect. There's nothing like perfection in accounting as we know it. And the reason why there's never going to be perfection in accounting, because stage number 3 is full of what? It's full of assumptions, it's full of judgment, and it's full of estimates. So mark that down, put it down there. Account cannot be perfect. There's no way. Yes? When, assumptions are being made here. Yes? Judgments are being made. Yes? And estimates are being used. How can you be perfect? You will never be perfect. But you know what? Those assumptions, those estimates and those judgments that we're making, they are backed by, professionalism. They are backed by experience. They are backed by, you're gonna justify, why you have now used that assumption. You just make an assumption just for it. Yeah, you're gonna support it. Yes, okay. Are you qualified enough? Are you experienced enough? Are you with me? For you to be able to make that judgment. That's what we rely on. Stage number 3. Yes. But those numbers, the real numbers, those actual numbers, they're coming from stage 1 and stage number 2. Stage 1, every day you're recording, you capture that data, you're recording that data, you analyze that data, you reconcile that data. Okay. I keep going over and over and over this. Yes. Okay. So important, guys. For you to be able to file accounts there in stage number 6, yeah, that's what we need to do to make sure stage 1 and stage 2, we're on top of it. Because when it comes to prepare the statutory accounts, you'll be able to prepare those accounts, within a reasonable period of time. So we say here at Moracle, our internal deadline for preparing accounts, we say within 3 to 4 months after the end of the financial year. Yes, for that to happen, stage 1, and stage 2, we need to be on top of it. And when you prepare accounts, 3 to 4 months, after the end of the financial year, then you are able to now do the taxation at the same time. Yes, if the reporting aspect, say for example, those accounts are audit might take a reasonable period of time, maybe 2 months. Yes. If it's non-audit, then it might take maybe a week or a couple of weeks. Yes. So 3 to 4 months for accounts preparation, and then you add 2 more months, for example, audit, or even 3 months. Yeah. So you got now 3 months or 3 months, say 6 months after the end of the financial year. Think about it. Yeah. To file Companies House, the deadline there, it says 9 months after the end of the financial year. 9 months. Okay. You have done your accounts and you've done up until the reporting 6 months after the end of the account, of the accounting year end. And the deadline to file those accounts is 9 months with Companies House. Think about it. You got 3 months to spare. Yeah. 3 months to spare. Yeah. To file the accounts and annual return with Charity Commission. Yeah. The deadline is 10 months. Yeah. 10 months after the end of the financial year. And if you are able to do everything up until reporting, let's say your maximum is 6 months after the end of the financial year, then you got 4 months to spare before the deadline. Yes? To file with HMRC, the deadline there is 12 months after the end of the financial year. 12 months. If you have done up to reporting, you've done the account, you've done reporting up to 6 months, yes, then you got 6 more months, yes, for the deadline to file with HMRC. Okay. I want us to reflect on this, guys. Yeah. I want us to reflect on this. Because if we do, yeah, we will have no justification, no reason for us to be in a situation where, for example, yes, accounts are filed, yes, late. Yes, accounts are filed late. I want you guys to hold that. And wherever you are, I'm asking you, yes, I want you to come with me. Yeah, put it down, write it down. Yeah, and say, I am never going to be in a situation where I am going to file accounts late. If I'm involved in a client, you understand, whatever, I am doing there, whether I'm doing stage 1 or stage 2, whatever it is I'm doing, I am going to make sure that those accounts are filed on time. Yeah? I want you to write that down because, you're making, I would say, call it an oath. Yes? Yeah, you are going to say to yourself, yes, as from today, yes, I am not going to allow any accounts that I'm involved with, yeah, to be filed late because I know these facts now. And the fact is, or this awareness, yeah, is as simple as this. Stage 1, yes, where you capture data, you record data, you analyze data, you reconcile data, it's got to be done on a daily basis, every day, every week, every month. Yeah, stage 2 is done every month. If you do that, you make sure that stage number 3, you'll be able to do that within a reasonable period of time. Yeah, within 2 to 3 months or 4 months. Yeah, as the case may be. But if sometimes it's 2 months, yeah, if you were registered, for example, if you're a FTSE, 100 or 250 company, you gotta file those accounts, 2 months, yes, after the end of the financial year, because you know what, investors are waiting for that information. If in 2 months it's too late, yes, this account need to be filed. Yeah, because investors want to see what is going on. You cannot say, oh, well, the accounts are late or whatever it is. No, sorry. Your shares, the value of your shares are going to come down because those accounts are not being filed on time. Yes, we don't know what is happening. So we should hold on to that. Yes, as good practice. 2 months, 3 months after the end of the financial year, yeah, those numbers should be ready to be filed. Okay. That is discipline. It takes determination. It takes, the professionalism. It takes, the trust in yourself. It takes the trust in human beings, your fellow guys. It takes, conversation, difficult ones sometimes. It takes, you are challenging things, the status quo. It takes adaptability. It takes so much, I'm telling you, to get that. But you know what? If you've done it once, you could do it twice. If you've done it twice, you could do it 3 times. And if you've done it twice, you can do 4 times, 5 times, and you can normalize it. Yeah. That's why human beings, I'm telling you, this word adaptable, yes, is one key thing that because we can adapt. Yeah, it's not easy. It's not a natural instinct or natural thing that happens, it's habit. You work on a habit. Yeah, you do something, you can see the benefits, you can do it again, you can do it faster, you can do it again, yes, and then you normalize it, yes, and when things become normal, it's a beautiful world, I'm telling you, yes, when you do accounts, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months before, after the end of the year, and you file those accounts, and then the clients, yes, know that the accounts have been filed, yes, and they received those nice letters coming from HMRC, Companies House, and Charity Commission, and saying, thank you, your accounts have now been filed. Yes, you have fulfilled your legal obligation. It's a good feeling. and to be part of that, you know, leaving people with the impression of increase, leaving people with that good feeling. This is what our job is as accountants. Yes, this is what our job is as trusted advisors. This is what our job is, to serve without any reservation. Are you with me? That is why we are appointed to be part, you know, of this team. Yes, when shareholders, when people or owners or founders or directors appoint us, guys, yes, to be accountant for them, this is what they're expecting of us. And really, we need to be able to do that. Are you with me? If we don't do that, I'm telling you, we're committing a sin. Yeah? We're committing a big sin as professionals. Yeah, and we know sin is not okay. Yeah, because you don't, it will catch up with you. Yeah, okay. We believe in karma. You know, whatever it is that you give out, it'll come back again to you in double portion. Yes, okay. So we want to make sure that, you know, whatever it is that we do it to the best of our ability. Yes, knowing, and this is the word here, knowing, yes, that it is doable. And the way we do it is because there's a formula. Yes, and the Moracle Accountancy Formula makes it clear. Stage 1, every day, every week, every month. You capture the data, record the data, analyze the data, reconcile the data. Why? Because in a business, transactions are happening every day, whether it's financial or non-financial, and that needs to be captured every day. Are you with me? Yes? Every month, they will need to report, yes, the actual against the budget, and then do the forecasting. Every day, every week, every month, number 1. Every month, number 2. So by the time you do this and normalize that, then when you get to number 3 will come out so simple. Yes, preparing accounts and then scheduling will just come out so simple. Yeah, the tax will come up so simple because you are dealing with this every day, every week, every month. Yes. Reporting, well, if it's an audit, when it says statutory audit, that you need somebody external to come and do the audit. But again, when the auditor comes in, what is it doing? It's looking at what you do every day, every week, every month. That's what he's looking at. Those protocols, those procedures, those systems that you actually applying every day, every week, every month. That's what they come in to check. Yeah. And if they are satisfied, they got assurance, you know, that, well, things are happening there, then they can consider doing less, you know, vigorous, you know, checking, what we call substantive testing or verification. Now they're looking at the account, looking at the numbers. Yeah. So it makes life much easier for them. Yeah. But every day, every week, every month, yes, you want to normalize that. Make it a habit, guys. Yes, and if you do, stage number 6, yeah, we can normalize it. We can all go to bed after we file the accounts for our organization. Yes, we file those accounts, you know, we get paid, compensated for, you understand? It's so beautiful, I'm telling you, when you file a set of accounts for a client and the client is happy, you see the client is smiling, you help them to save tax, you know, you file all of these things, and then, you know, the client comes to you and say, thank you. Yes. And then you're being compensated for that. Oh my goodness. You can go to bed and sleep, you know, and dream some good, nice, good dreams. I'm telling you. Yeah. Want you to wake up the next day to go and do more. You love what you do. Yes. You want to do more of that. You can normalize that. Yes. For number 6 to happen, yes, you need to make sure, yeah, number 1, number 2 is happening. Yeah. The other week I was talking about the negative side, you know, of stage number 6. We accountants, we are responsible. You understand? to be able to cause, our clients, other people, high blood pressure. Are you with me? Yes. Heart problems. Yeah. We see some clients, when you say HMRC, it's a problem. The moment they hear HMRC, the moment they hear Companies House, the moment they hear Charity Commission, it's all negative. Yes, that is how this organization, these institutions, this is how they are seen. We normalize it because we deal with them every day, but our clients don't. Yes. So when they see letters coming from HMRC, they see letters coming from Charity Commission or Companies House, if you measure, yes, their breathing at that point in time, if you measure their pressure, their blood pressure, if you measure, yes, their health, that point in time, I'm telling you, it's not going to be good. Yeah. And I'm saying to us, we have to be mindful. Yeah. And that's why, again, we're talking about this mindset. It's not just about preparing accounts and then forget about, oh, well, we're just, accounting for the numbers. Yeah. It's beyond numbers, guys. We're dealing with people here. Yes. Yes. It's talking about emotional intelligence, not only professional skepticism, emotional intelligence. Yeah. And when you apply that, and then you begin to now see, well, hold on, I think I need to do a little bit more. I need to do a little bit more. I'm not saying you're going to be you're 100% perfect all the time, but you're always going to be on your toes to do more. Yes. How can I serve more? How can I do more? Yes. How can I leave my clients, with that impression of increase? Yes. It's a work in progress all the time. You're always looking to improve on it. You never arrived. But again, I'm saying to you, watch this. Go back again to stage number 1. Every day, every week, every month. Yeah, you're on top of it. Yes. Every day, every week, every month. The integration of systems. Yes, whatever is happening. Every day, the activity that happened yesterday, today you captured it. Or even best so, the activity that is happening today, you're capturing it as it happens. Yes, every day, every week, every month. Yes, it's the way forward, guys. Yeah. Okay. Stage number 6. Yeah, it's a powerful stage. Yeah. It's good, it's bad, that is indifferent, but we can make it. Yes, easy. Yes, easy. We can make it. We will make it and just normalize it. So focus on stage number 1 and stage number 2. Yeah. And point that finger at stage number 6 there. So take 1 and 2, pull a formula, 1 and 2 on top of it. Number 6 is going to be a doddle. Yeah, because you're going to be able to prepare those accounts and file those accounts way, way, way before the deadline. Yeah, and when you do that, everybody's happy. The client is happy, you are happy, the team is happy, you get compensated, time for celebration. Yes, and you deserve it when you've done that. You really deserve it, because you've shown that, you are, a trusted advisor. You are a professional. Yes, you're just there, for the money. Yes, you're there, to participate, the growth of that business. That business has got its mission, its vision, and their values. Yeah, they got the objective why. Yeah, they decided, to do that business. And you are now in partnership, with the owners, to make sure that that vision materializes. That's what you're doing. So when you file account with the statutory bodies, when you file it on time, yes, you are helping, that organization, to fulfill the financial governance. Yes. And it's not only about just the operational or money or whatever it is, but there is the governance side of it, to file accounts on time, to file them correctly, to make sure that, the information that the public sees is good. Yes. That is your responsibility. That is our responsibility. Yes, that's why we are called accountants. That's why we are needed. That's why every country needs us. That's why every business needs us. That's why every wealthy individual out there needs us. They need us. Yeah? Okay? Don't allow anybody to tell you otherwise. Yeah? Okay? And you got to put yourself forward, and say, yes, with the right mindset though, yes, that I could do this. And when I do it, I do it well. Yeah? Thank you very much for listening. I'll just ask for 1 or 2 questions, if there are any questions. Sepede, can you stop sharing, if you can? So you can just see people's faces. Yes, thank you. Any questions? Any questions? Any observations as we finish? Okay. Well, if there's no questions, no observation, I just want to take this time again to thank you all. Yeah. I know we've gone through 6 months has gone so quickly, guys, unbelievable. We've done the Moracle Accountancy Formula, stage 1 to stage 6, June, the end of June. Yes. How time flies, tempus fugit. Yes. Time flies so quickly. But I hope, that you guys, now that we've gone through the 6 stages, 6 months, yeah, that you'll be able to, that picture is becoming more clearer for you. Yeah. And normalize it, make it easy, simple and easy. Make it, look at that, yeah. Put into practice. Yeah. The reason why I talk like this, the reason why I sound like this, the reason why, it looks so easy to me, yeah, it's only one reason. It's because, I've done, I'm telling you, work on it. Yes. I've done quite a lot, I'm telling you, yeah, in my years, doing this stuff. Yeah, so our advice, guys, is to do it. Yeah, is to do. It doesn't matter, you can make mistakes, keep doing. Yeah, keep doing. Yeah. And now with the mindset added, yeah, we tells you that you are number one. Are you with me? Yes, you are number one. Put yourself up there. Yeah, because if you don't have it, yeah, you cannot give it. Yes, if you don't have something, you cannot give it. So you got to put yourself number one, know who you are, know what you want, get it. Yes. And when you get it, then you know what? You can give it. Yeah. But don't try to give something where you don't have it. Yeah. It's not going to work. So I'm saying to you, yes, focus on it, work on it. Yes. Know yourself. Yeah. Consistently, the discipline. Yeah. And be also, not just, just mindful of what is just, what you're hearing here. Yes. If anything at all, you should be doubting, in your mind, what Mola is saying, you want to test it, you want to prove it. Yeah, keep doing that. I'm telling you. Yeah. You go out there, you read, you guys, the Financial Times, all these newspapers. Yes. I remember those days, when we were studying this. Financial Times. Oh, they were too expensive, because hold on, and those papers are meant for, so when lecturers come in, they talk about Financial Times, and oh my goodness, everybody's scrambled to even touch the newspaper. Financial Times. Now, sorry. Yes, you get it, you know. Well, make use of it. Yeah. Are you listening to the news? Are you listening to the financial commentary? Yes. The information is there, guys. But if you don't, seriously, you're not going to have it. Yeah. You're not going to have it. Yeah, we've done 6 months. I just want to remind you guys, 6 months. Yes, we've done 6 months to go through the Moracle Accountancy Formula. Yeah, okay? We're going to go around it again. Another 6 months. You know, that's going to take us to the end of the year. Well, by the time we do that, I'm saying to you guys, well, each and every one of you should now be an expert. The Moracle Accountancy Formula. That is what we're talking about here. Yeah. Experts. And I believe, you understand? And I'm using that word because I know that you guys believe. Because you see, if you don't believe, you know, you'll be here listening, you know, then you just, come on. Yes. Faith. Yes. It comes by hearing. Yes, but I'm asking you to go and do. Yeah. You hear it, go and do it. Yeah. And if you do, you make it, you know, you make it second nature. Yeah. Because if you do that, I'm telling you, this fundamental law that we know, yes, the law, the compensation, the law of compensation. Yeah. I'm telling you, need for what you do. Yeah. Your ability to do it. Yeah. Makes it very difficult to be replaced. Yeah. Okay. You want money, you make money. You want fame, you get the fame. You want to teach, you will teach. You want, what do you want to do with it? Well, make sure you get it first. Yes, yes. I like this Bible reference, you know. It says, what is in your hand? Yes. What is in your hand? Yes. Use it, he says. Yeah. And I hope that, you know, the 6 months that we've just gone through, there's something in your hands now. Yeah. Each and every one of you. And all I'm asking you to do now is to use it, guys. Yeah. Thank you very much. And I will see you guys next week. Yes. All been well. Enjoy the rest of the week. And then we start all over again next week, stage number 1. Yes. Okay. Our favorite, you know, area, stage number 1. Yeah. But we got pioneers, I can see, you know, got some really pioneers who are really, you know, pushing, you know, the boundaries of stage number 1. Yes. And but also thank you for all the guys, you know, we got some excellent guys, excellent interns. And I want to celebrate and shout, you know, out, you know, some guys who are flying with, you know, and flying colors, they call it, flying colors. Yes. And continue to do that. Yes. But all I'll say is now, don't forget your fellow, you know, the guys. They say when you are converted, you know, strengthen your neighbor. They say it. Yes. So don't forget your neighbor. Yes. When you yeah, you're getting things. Yes. Make it look so simple. Yeah. Because it's all about, you know, sharing. Yeah. Thank you very much. Okay. Thank you, guys. See you all next week. And God bless you. Bye-bye now.